just what to do.
Go ahead.
Not
Go ahead.
really messing around with danger. It's bad. You have to show me that. No, don't do that, Brandon. Don't do that.
All right, go ahead, Miss Taylor. I mean, yeah.
And Rick has come in and fixed my dryer, and I'm so happy.
And she's putting it back together herself because she wants to be a technician. There she goes. Got it next one. She's doing just fine. Now say hello. Do not attempt this yourself.
That's right. Don't attempt this yourself. Listen to Brenda.
Mrs. Taylor. I don't want to say her age unless she wants to. I bet she don't want to. She don't want to say.
Yes.
No, I'm not going to. It's going to go on video. You don't want to say that. Do you? Okay.
See, I'm old.
Okay. Thank you.
Oh, thank you, Rick. Thank you so much.
You're very welcome.